Question: do you clean your watch every day? I do. Let me show you how I do my cleaning. First of all, use a cloth. Voila. To lay down. Very simple. Then your merchandise. Lay that on the cloth. Voila. Like so. Then use gloves. Surgical gloves, these are. Put these on. Now normally, when I put these on, they split, but today they're behaving. However, one left. Will I be lucky? Or have I spoken too soon? Surprise, surprise. Anyway, let's continue. As well as having this down, we have another one right here. This one is going to be used to wipe down the merchandise. But before that, we need the spray. Now this spray is eco-friendly. It's actually called Eco, and it's a screen cleaner kit. Now what I do is gently spray from a distance, 3 squirts, that's it. Then I use the cloth and I do circular motions, and only circular motions at the front, keeping that nice and clean. Because what I don't have on this timepiece is a screen protector, and I'm not getting one because they say that this screen should be scratch resistant. So they say. I don't believe that, but time will tell. The proof is in the pudding. So once you've done that and you're satisfied with the clean, which I am, then you turn it the other side. And the same thing applies. 3 splashes, use the cloth, and then do the back. Same again, circular motions in between the little grooves. Because what you don't want to do is leave your watch to have all that sweat building up that creates the nasty gummy dirt. And if you want to keep your watch that you spent hundreds of pounds on to look fresh, clean, as new, then I suggest you clean your watch every day. It doesn't take long. Couple of minutes, that's all it takes. And then you are ready to go. Clean as can be. And don't forget, clean the crown as well. Guys, I hope that's helped. Remember, it costs a fair bit of money, so why not look after it? In the meantime, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. But from me, adios.